Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to share with you my haul from Hobby Lobby and I will show you a little tour of the aisles that has clearance stuff. And now let me show you what I got. I got this vinyl and it's glitter. I didn't try with glitter before and this one is an iron-on. If you have a Cricut and you like to do iron-on, this is like an heat transfer vinyl and you can press that on many things. And the price is amazing. And you can find a lot of different designs there. I also got a lot of these mini ink pads because I wanted to have more colors, and they are from the brands Memento and also from Rangers. You will see it right now and they are very good prices, so check it out on your near Hobby Lobby. And the last item that I got is this one from the planner section, and it's a set of rings and the price is amazing. Now keep watching to see more clearance stuff at the store. In the section of the dies, you can find a lot of clearance items and they also have 40% off on the regular prices. This is the section of the stamps and they also have a lot of clearance items. The ink pads are on clearance too. And you can find a lot of the wood stamps on clearance too. And check it out on the barrel of stamps too. You can find a lot of ink pads on clearance too. In the vinyl section, you can find a lot of clearance too. And most of them are the heat transfer vinyls. And they are from the brands The Paper Studio and some of the Cricut too. if you like planners, there is a lot of clearance items in the planner section too. And there are some clearance in the jewelry section too. Thanks for watching my video and have a blessed day.